screen sharing is a great feature in Discord that allows you to share whatever you're seeing with anyone else in a voice chat. So today we'll be showing you exactly how you can screen share on both desktop and mobile, and also what the differences are if you have Nitro or not. So let's start off with how you do it on desktop. First off, once you are in a voice call, you then want to click on this button right here in the bottom left, which will take you to the screen sharing options. This will open up this menu, which will give you plenty of different options. Starting off, you'll see 3 different sections at the top, which will determine what it is that you're actually showing to others. The first tab is all about applications or individual windows that you want to stream. The second allows you to stream an entire physical monitor, and the third is for external video capture devices, like for example say webcams or any kind of game capture devices as well. In the bottom left, it'll tell you exactly what settings you will be streaming at. And you'll also see a special SD to HD toggle as well, with the HD being locked behind Discord Nitro. Now Discord is a bit misleading here because you're not streaming in just SD without Nitro. You are streaming in 720p, which does technically count as HD. What Discord counts as HD here is the ability to stream at 1080p or even higher, up to 4K, which is locked behind a Discord Nitro subscription. Finally, on the right hand side, you will see a cogwheel icon, which you can click to get even more options. Here you can change your settings, so if you're really low on bandwidth, you can change things like the resolution or frame rate. You can also mute stream audio. And finally, if you hover over the advanced section, you will see 2 additional options: the ability to hide the stream preview, as well as notifying friends in the server that you are streaming. Now let's go over what it looks like on mobile. Once you are in a voice chat, what you're going to do is swipe up until you see this menu, and then share your screen will be one of the top options, so just tap on that. Then it will give you the option of what exactly it is that you want to stream, like for example a specific open app on your phone. So just simply tap to whatever it is you want to stream, and you are going to be taken to that tab, or while Discord is still active in the background and streaming that app. So as you can see, it's a little more basic and lacking many of the features found on desktop. However, it still gets the job done in being able to show others what it is that you have on your phone. So hopefully you found this video on how exactly to screen share on Discord helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.